So, at the end of a narcissistic or toxic relationship, please know your rights, know your laws, know what you could post on social media and what you cannot post. If you could speak about the situation or not, the laws and your rights within your state. Educate yourself as much as you can, because I know in my case, this person really tried to destroy my life. And now that I know what my rights are, they can't, stop me from speaking on what was true and my experience. This person, yeah, 12 years of nonsense, 12 years of lies, 12 years of abuse and, dismissive, feelings. And, now that I look at it, I'm like, it was just, that person was not a safe person. So when you look at things in, they're going to want you to be quiet. They're going to try and put you through the ringer with the law. They're going to bash your name. I don't care at this point. I used to, but I'm like, look who it's coming from. It's coming from a person that it's all about image. For the family, it's all about image. And, just know too, you just might be that person's karma for all the things that they've done to other people, and other people didn't know how to go about it, to be quiet or to, whatever it might have been. In my case, I know that this person, really tried to hurt me and silence me, and then trying to punish me as if they are God. But just know that God is rightfully on my side, and has been, throughout this entire ordeal that I went through. So that's why I speak on my experience, because I will never allow anybody to spit on my face, physically and mentally abuse me, and then to think that, they were justified, and then run and go hide behind the same people they talked badly about and told their business and they didn't like. Delusional, and that's crazy. I recently was able to see a friend, and that friend literally knew what I was going through, and that person that I was with for 12 years was not well. They sat in my house and they even witnessed that person's, behavior. So that's why I don't care. I really don't, but no one ever is going to question my mental health and discredit me as a person, and then to think it's okay. You're aiding abusive, toxic behavior. And like I said, I could take accountability for anything I've said, but to this person, I will never apologize to, because I am not sorry. You have to know with these people that they do things intentionally to you to get you to react, so that you are put in the front as if you are the abuser, you are the aggressor. And it's like, no. And, there are certain other situations that I've seen and heard, and now I understand why certain people go off and people all of a sudden don't believe them. No, you don't do that. That literally will force a person to go crazy after all the abuse that they've been through. So I end this with saying, know your rights, know your laws within your state, what to post and what not to post on social media. But you can share your experience. You can. It is the truth of what you went through, that person's character, and any other form of abuse. Please, do not sit there and be quiet, because that's what they want you to be. So they're going to say you're crazy. But look who it's coming from. And that's where I'm at now. It's like, I don't care. I remember one of the enablers, the brother, trying to say, oh, you like to admit the truth. And I'm like, you don't live in my house, and mind your business. So that's the other thing, is so you will find that there are certain family members that can't mind their business. But if you go to say something, oh, well, you said something all over. I don't have no obligation to sit there and hide what happened to me. And that is it. And that's exactly how you should feel as well, is that you're under no obligation to hide what these people have done. They shouldn't have did it if they didn't want people to know. Plain and simple.